Incessant rain over the past few days has caused the Leni River, also known as the Ngaure River, to reach a dangerous warning level. The river, originating in Ukhrul town, runs between Ukhrul and Senapati districts before flowing into Nagaland's Phek district and eventually joining the Chinwin River. The sudden surge has submerged and destroyed vast expanses of newly planted paddy fields in Lai village in Senapati district. Farmers are deeply distressed, fearing that their hard work and resources will go to waste. Simultaneously, Lai Karasom Bridge has been washed away by the strong current of the river, completely cutting off transport between the two regions. Residents of Lai village, Chingjaroi and Lower Phaibung are risking their lives crossing through dangerous river currents to go for work and handle daily chores. Meanwhile, Lai Village Authority Council Chairman K. Saloni has urgently appealed to the government to immediately repair the damaged bridge and sanction new suspension bridges along the river stretch. He has also demanded compensation for the affected farmers to alleviate their severe crop losses.